TX4 series how to change the input type. This is a video about how to change the input type. Hold down the key of set for 3 seconds. The PV will show P-1. Then press 1's key of up. The PV will show P-2. Then press 1's key of set to enter the parameter group. Now the PV will show INP. This parameter is for changing the input type. SV shows what's the input type now. Press the key of up to change the input type until which you need. And then hold once the key of set for 3 seconds. To save the data and back to run mode. K means K type, E means E type, J means J type, N means N type, T means T type, S means S type, R means R type, B means B type, PT means PT100 type, CU means CU50 type. For example, you want to change to PT100 type. Press the key of up until SV shows PT. Then hold on the key of set for 3 seconds. To save the data and back to run mode. Now the input type is changed to the PT100.